Hello student, myself Kinjal Mistry. I am lecturer in computer department of BPMP Polytechnic. Welcome to .NET Programming online video session. Today my topic name is operator of chapter number Introduction to Microsoft .NET Framework and VB.NET. In this video lecture we learn the following topic. First we learn arithmetic operator, second comparison operator, third logical or bitwise operator, then assignment operator, and last we learn concatenation operator. Now first, what is operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulations. In VB.NET support the following types of operator. Now first is arithmetic operator, second concatenation operator, third assignment operator, then comparison operator, and last logical or bitwise operator. Now first, arithmetic operators. It is used to perform familiar calculator on numeric values. Arithmetic operators support the following operator like exponentation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, integer division, and modulo division. Now this operator we use the example. We take two variable a and b. Its data type is integer and a value is 2 and b value is 7. Now perform the operation. Now first we use power of operator, then b exponentation a, it gives the result 49. Then perform arithmetic operation a plus b, it gives the result 9. Then perform subtraction operation a minus b, it gives the result minus 5. Then perform multiplication operation a into b, it gives the result 40. Then perform division operation b divide a, it gives the result 3.5. It gives the floating result. Then another perform integer division b slash a, it gives the integer result 3. Then perform modulo division b mod a, it gives the result 1. Now second operator is comparison operator. Comparison operators are used to compare two expressions and return a boolean value representing the result of the comparison. Comparison operator like equal, not equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, and greater than or equal. Now show the example of comparison operator. Now we take the two variable a and b. Both variable data type are integer. A value is 10 and b variable value is 20. Now use this operation to using the comparison operator. First we use equal operator. Now a equal b, it gives the result false. Now we use not equal operator a not equal b, then it gives the result true. Then we take greater than symbol, then a greater than b, it gives the result false. Now we take less than a less than b, it gives the result true. Then we use greater than or equal operator a greater than or equal b, it gives the result false. Then we use a less than or equal operator b, it gives the result true. Now third is bitwise or logical operator. In VB, combine boolean or numerical value and return a result of the same data type as the value. Bitwise means working bit by bit with numerical value. This operator support the and, or, not, and also, or else, is false and is true operator. Now in meaning of logical operation and bitwise operation to using this operator, now we first use AND operator in logical operation. If both operand are true, then return true, otherwise it returns false. In bitwise operation, we use AND operator. If both operand are true, then it returns one value, otherwise it returns 0. Now we use OR operator in logical operation. If either operand is true, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Now we use OR operator in bitwise operation. If either operand is true, that it returns one value, otherwise it returns 0. Now we use NOT operator in logical operation. If operand is true, then return true. If operand is false, it gives false value. Now we use NOT operator in bitwise operation. So first we check if operand is true, then return one value, otherwise it gives the false value, means 0. Now we use AND also operator in logical operation. It check first operand is true, then second operand is not checked, and it gives the result false. Now we use AND also operator in bitwise operation. It check first operand value is false, then second operand value is not checked, and it returns 0 value. Now we use OR else operator in logical operation. It check first operand value is true, then it not check the second operand value, and it give the result of true. Now we use OR else operator in bitwise operation. First we check first operand value is true, then it is not checked the second operand value, and it give the result 1. Then we use is false logical operation. Check whether expression is false, and we use is true operator in logical operation. It check whether the expression is true. This is the example of bitwise and logical operator. Now we first use AND operator to variable A and B. A and B. It gives the result false. We use OR operator in A and B variable. It gives the result true. Now we use NOT operator to use variable A and B not. It gives the result true. Now we use AND also operator in operand A and B. It gives the result false. Now we use OR as operator to variable A or as B. It gives the result true. Now fourth operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign the result of an expression to a variable. The assignment operator is symbol is single equal. Now this is the symbol of assignment operator. Now first simple assignment, second is AND assignment, then the next operator is subtraction and assignment operator. The next operator is multiply and assignment operator, and next operator is divide and assignment operator, and next operator is divide and assignment operator, and last operator is exponentation and assignment operator. Now the example of assignment operator are, we take two variable A plus B, then using the simple assignment operator, it is used C is equal to A plus B, then it gives the result and store the result, then addition of two variable in C variable. Now use add and assignment operator. It is C plus is equal to A. It is equivalent C is equal to C plus A. Now using subtraction and assignment operator, we write C minus equal A. It is equivalent to C is equal to C minus A. Now we use multiply and assignment operator. Then C multiply equal A. It is equivalent to C is equal to C multiply A. Then we use the same divide and assignment operator, and last we use exponentation and assignment operator, same as it is. Now last operator is concatenation operator. Concatenation operator in VB.NET are used to join or concate two strings. The plus and ampersand are the basic concatenation operator. Both these operand can be used to concate string, but the plus operator is performed while concatenating numbers. Following table list the concatenation operator used in VB. The first plus symbol, it is also called exporting notation operator. Then second ampersand symbol is also called multiplication operator. Now the example of concatenation operator are, we take fourth variable in this example, then a and b variable we take integer data type, then a variable value is 10 and b variable value is 20. Then x and y variable take the string data type, then x variable value is BPMP and y variable value is polytechnic. Then apply this symbol or operator in this variable. Now first a and %b, it give the result 10 and 20. We combine both integer value. Now we apply plus symbol a plus b, then it give the result 30. Means it perform the arithmetic operation. Then we apply string data type x and %y, so it give the result VPMP polytechnic. Means it give the two string value concatenate. Then we apply plus symbol in this variable x plus y, then it give the result VPMP polytechnic. Thank you so much for watching this video.